Hey you guys, what's up? So I realized that it's been a while since I've done like just a sit down makeup tutorial with you guys, like a good old fashioned makeup look. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I feel like I'm always reviewing something or showing you guys, new stuff that I've found that I love. But yeah, let's start with this makeup tutorial. So this product here is the Color Canvas Paint by Hank and Henry. This can be used for literally anything, you guys. It can be used as a base, a concealer, a contour, whatever you want. And this is in the shade Purple. So I'm going in with the Hank and Henry tie-dye palette, and we're gonna take the shade Mamas, and I'm just gonna apply that right on top of that purple base. Now we're going in with Cookie, and I'm just going to start deepening everything up. Now we're going in with the Royal Queen palette by Makeup Institute of Los Angeles. This is a sister company to Hank and Henry. And I'm taking the shades Countess as well as Ruler, mixing those two together and just kind of like really blending and blowing this out a bit. Going in with Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow in the shade French Vanilla, I am just applying this to my brow bone area as well as my lid. Now I'm just going in with this highlight by Star Crushed Minerals called Stay Classy. You guys, I don't even think that this company exists anymore. I cannot find them anywhere, but this highlight is so stunning and I'm just applying it right on top for a little bit more of a shine. Now I'm going in with my favorite eyeliner. This is by Persona Cosmetics. It's just their black eyeliner. You guys, it's just so soft, so pigmented, goes on like butter. And I'm just smoking out that lower lash line with all of the shades that we used before. Giving my lashes a nice coat of mascara, and then I'm going to go in with the Beauty Vault eyeliner. This is a liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to kind of define that rounded shape a little bit more. And now we're going to go in with these super cute lashes by Trace Chic Cosmetics. These are in the style Dream, and you can use code Thebriabeauty to receive 20% off of your purchase. I applied a little bit of Nova Beauty's Magenta 01 Snatched Lip Liner to my lips, as well as their lipstick in the shade Royalty. And that's the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like this video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.